Ayun guys, welcome to the channel once again, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit mo yung notification bell. Kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong klaseng content ay lagi kitang ma-inform at lagi kitang ma-update sa mga bagong developments, especially when we're talking about NFT games and also mga iba pang mga play to earn games, as well as may mga unboxing din po tayo ng mga gadgets at mga reviews. So guys, wag na tayong magpatagal pa. Let's get it on, and we're going to talk about once again Chainguardians. As you can see sa title natin, another good news. Okay guys, so we are going to talk about staking dito sa, or I'm sorry, mining. Okay, parang staking na rin guys dito sa Chainguardians, at sa pamagitan nito ikaw ay mag-earn ng currency, which is CGC or CGG dito sa iyong play to earn, free play to earn na game na ito guys. Alright, so in order to do that guys, alam natin na meron tayong mismong adventure, yung mga laro-laro na yan guys. I've already explained it. Panoorin nyo po yung ating videos about how to do adventures and earn CGC, and also yung fiat na yan, saan ginagamit yan, at kung paano ka makakuha ng libreng characters every single day at makombine sila at maging rare characters. So ang kagandahan dito guys, you don't need chances para lang makahanap ng although merong ganun na option dito, but you can also do it by fusion. Alright, but anyway, ang focus ng ating pag-uusapan ngayon is about the mining part nito. So ang kagandahan sa Chainguardians guys, meron siyang mining, or sa ibang play to earn ang tawag nila kasi doon staking, pero dito mining, staking, ganun, parang pinag-combine niya guys. So in order to access yung kasi dalawang ino-offer nito pag nasa main website ka guys, ito makikita mo, as you can see nakalagin na tayo, nakalagay my account. Okay, so dalawang ino-offer niya, isang you can play RPG or you can start mining. So these are the two ways where which you can gather coins or tokens, Chainguardian tokens, para ikaw ay maka-earn dito. Okay guys, so since alam na natin yung RPG, okay, na-explain ko na sa ibang mga videos ko. Okay, let's talk about first, let's talk about naman sa mining, NFT mining. Okay, so ito yung PvP guys. Punta muna tayo dito bago ko i-click yung mining. Let's talk about blockchain superheroes PvP. Okay, by fighting games, esports, ready to team competitions. Ito dito ka kikita sa pamamagitan ng mga adventures. Okay, ayan, ito role playing tsaka PvP. Sa gitna niya nakalagay NFT mining. So this is the world's first NFT mining game. So sabi ko nga ba sa inyo first niya lang na mining, NFT mining game, partnered with major NFT projects. Okay, tapos meron pang stake NFTs to earn. So magmamine siya, you will stake your character and magmamine sila. So paano yon? Okay guys, okay, so click natin tong play NFT mining. Okay, pag kinlik mo yan, it will route you to the mining and then you must log in. Okay, tayo lang natin na mag-log in. Yeah, okay, pag naka-log in ka na, click ulit yung start mining. Okay, ayan, ayan, so naka-connect na yung aking rito. Isi-sync mo lang yung asset guys. Alright, so pag na-sync mo na yung asset mo guys, okay, so mapapansin nyo rito sa left side, mining, stats, block history, balance, pool mining, partners, and okay, so yan guys yung mga ways. Okay, yan yung mga ano niya, options niya. Meron din siyang pool mining. Pero dito guys, meron ding solo mining. So since gusto ko mag solo mining, ang gagawin ko lang is, okay, mag-choose ako ng hash rate ko. Paano yun? I-stake ko yung aking mga NFTs ko. Kasi ang NFTs natin sa Chainguardians ay yung mismong characters mo. Okay, select mo yan. Select. Okay. Select. Hanggang Sham lang po ang pwede natin i-select dito. Select natin yung Sham. Okay. Mag-select ka lang. Ito yung mga nakuha natin libre guys ha. Hindi tayo bumili dito. Wala tayong pambili. Okay. Tsaka pa lang magiging mag-activate yung start solo mining na key. Tapos makikita nyo, dati 0 yan, ngayon naging 1,000 hash rate na. And then, i-click mo yung start solo mining. Ayan. Ayan. You are in already participate. Oh, ang ganda pa ng ano niya. You are in already participate. You are currently mining. View the stats page to find out some more details about your current mining sessions. Okay, view stats. Ano yung stats? Pag click mo yan, okay, yan, makikita mo kailan ka nag-start, August 25 at yung oras, and then kailan matatapos yung mining mo. Okay, total NFT submitted, and then your CGC rewards. Ito yung mga nakuha ko, yung CGC ko na yan actually, yan, 171. Okay, so yan yung laman ng ano natin, pero eto na yung mining. Okay. Okay guys, so nag-start na siya mag-mining. Magkakaroon lang ng mga value yung mga yan guys after pagdating natin sa August 25 to 2021 at 1:27 PM. So guys, dyan makikita mo you are already mining. So hindi ka lang magpe-play, pwede ka pang mag-mine. Okay, sabi nga ni Aling Inots, walang nagmamine, panay lang laro, walang nagmamine, mga inutil. Joke lang guys. So anyway, pwede tayong mag-mine pala dito guys. Okay, ewan ko yung iba ko na discover na, pero ako actually wala ba sa ano ba itong mining na to, nung kinlik ko guys, I realized na pwede pala tayo mag-mine dito. Ang ganda ng Chainguardians guys. So yan lang po muna yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. At yung iba pong mga developments dito guys, I'll inform you. So far yung latest development dito when it comes to play to earn, na-discuss ko sa aking last video. Just watch it guys, yung may magandang balita. Itong video na ito, ang title nito sigurado sa thumbnail niya is Another Good News. Okay, so guys, so maraming salamat sa iyong panonood, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, hit mo na yung subscribe button na yan, pati yung notification bell para ma-inform kita sa mga susunod pa nating development at mga good news dito sa ating mga NFTs games na ating tinatalakay at nilalaro. At once again, maraming salamat, stay safe, and bye-bye!